Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Sunday morning on the verge of sunrise. Of course, we had that time change earlier this morning. We fell back an hour, so it's currently around 7:15. Patchy fog in the area this morning. Also some scattered frost with those temperatures down to around or a little bit below the freezing mark. And again, a gorgeous morning developing in downtown Holland. Looking off to the east, you can see that, yeah, indeed, the skies are definitely brightening. Downtown Grand Rapids, here's the Grand River. We have pivoted that camera view looking off to the northeast just to capture the beautiful start to the day. It is cold this morning, though. We've got clearing skies, calm winds, and those temperatures that have dropped all the way down into the 20s in many inland areas. Even 28 degrees in Muskegon this morning, 28 in Fremont, 25 in Greenville, 32 in the meantime in Ionia, also in downtown Grand Rapids, down toward Allegan, Plainwell, Otsego, 27 in Kalamazoo. So what are we tracking for you? Well, today, fairly quiet weather conditions around. We have the fog and frost in the area this morning, and that will be again diminishing very, very quickly now that the sun is up over the horizon. Sunny and pleasant conditions for today. We'll see some high clouds roll in this afternoon in advance of the next system, which will produce a few overnight rain showers tonight into early tomorrow morning. The overall pattern is going to be more active over the next several days, but we don't have any major storms in sight. So nothing super significant, but about every 24 to 36 hours with this kind of a setup in the atmosphere, we'll see at least a few pockets of precipitation roll through. Now here's a look at the satellite radar composite across the region. A few sprinkles left over out over the extreme southern part of Lake Michigan. Other than that, again, that's associated with that upper level disturbance was really weakened so much that it's completely falling apart. Regionally, we have a system off to our south that will produce some scattered showers from Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, all the way down into Kentucky and Tennessee. We are watching off to our northwest for the next developing system. And if this were a winter air mass, this would be a clipper system that would produce a quick couple of inches of snow as it came into play tonight into tomorrow. But because temperatures are warmer and we're not that late in the season yet, we are looking at this as just mainly a rain event as it comes through. And here's the timeline as we look at the future track. Again today, that south-southwesterly breeze. A few high clouds will start to roll in this afternoon. This is as of 6 o'clock. But remember, sunset time, 5:33 this evening. It should be a pretty one with this high level moisture coming in. So maybe you could head to Lake Michigan and capture a beautiful sunset. Early, though, of course, you have to head out there very early with the time change in place. By daybreak tomorrow, some scattered rain showers will be rolling through, again, especially along the north of US 1 of the I-96 corridor, but we will return very quickly to sunshine and that southwest to westerly wind. Temperatures in the 50s for highs once again. Precip chances for Monday in the morning, Wednesday. And then computer models are trying to develop a storm system for the weekend, the end of the week and weekend. Not 100% convinced that this is going to actually happen, but we are throwing some rain chances into the mix for Friday and Saturday. And if that system comes into play, it'll be cold enough to draw us back into the 40s for highs by the end of the weekend. In the meantime, as you can see here, keeping those temps in the 50s for highs, 40s for lows, upper 30s to low 40s for lows, and that 8 to 14 day outlook takes us into the middle of November, continuing to suggest temps stay above average.